Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable auto update on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Go to your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner and then click on settings. Now scroll down and the last option is About Chrome. Click on About Chrome. Look, the Google Chrome automatic update to my Chrome browser. Look, it's automatic updating. If I reload and it's automatic update. Now I'm going to show you how to disable this automatic update on Google Chrome. Close Chrome browser. Now open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Now go to C drive and you have to check program files and program files x86 where Google folder you will find. Okay, I'm going to click on program file and look, this is the Google folder. Open it and this is Google Updater. Nothing is here. So I'm going back to program files x86 and open Google here and look, this on the folder update. Open it and you will find here Google Update. Now you can delete this folder. The application is deleted from update folder. Now minimize File Explorer. Go to Google Chrome browser again. Again, click on three dot icon, then settings, then go to About Chrome. Look, now Google Chrome cannot be updated automatically. Look, an error occurred while checking for updates. That means it cannot update it automatically. Now, minimize Google Chrome and go to File Explorer. And now click on 1336292 folder. Look, here you will find Google Update. Just copy it and again just paste it here. Click on Continue. The Google Update application is pasted here. Now minimize this folder. Again, go to About section and reload. Look, it's checking for update and automatically updated. That means if you delete this application from here, Google Chrome cannot update automatically. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.